So me and Cookie are currently at the beach and I just finished this little beach painting. I've actually got sand all over it now as well. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy to draw a beach. Obviously you can make it look a lot better than that, but the basic of it is just the sky, the ocean and the sand, which I think I've got down. And I had fun doing it, so that's all that matters, I guess. I'm not like a watercolour artist. I do draw on Procreate like all the time, so I don't practice with this at all. So I'm just doing it for a bit of fun. But yeah, it's really nice. It's actually busier than I thought because it's school holidays and I forgot about that. But anyway, at least I've done some drawing today. It's actually starting to get a bit windy here. Not as bad as the last times I've come here though. If you've seen my other vlogs, every time I've tried to vlog down the beach, it's been like really windy. Like everything's going everywhere. So yeah, it's actually a little bit hard to paint bringing Cookie to the beach though, because he just keeps on like moving around and then he tries to dig sand and he flicks it all into me and all into the where I'm working and stuff, so that's kind of annoying. But he's just so cute though. I can't like leave him at home. I have to bring him with me. He's like my other half, and this hat is really annoying me. But I did bring my stickers with me that I sell in my Etsy shop. I thought I would take, not all of them, I just sort of selected a few, plus the bookmarks that I've got as well. And I'm gonna take some product photos. No, it's like wrapped his lead right around me. Oh no. And I just bought a couple of my bookmarks as well, so I'll take some photos of those. But yeah, I'm gonna do that now. I mean, who doesn't want to buy a sticker when it's taken with a beach background? I love that. It was just make me want to buy a sticker even more, you know, having the beach behind.
Yeah.
Today is Sunday. Just went to a coffee shop to do some drawing, which was in my other video if you saw it, like where I drew for like 7 days. But I thought I'd just take Cookie for a walk, and I found this little nearby lookout kind of place where you can walk around. It's like got loads of hills and everything. And also like this sort of place you might see koalas and kangaroos, it says on the sign, so hopefully I might see something and I'll film it. But yeah, I just thought it's a nice little day. It's a little hard to see, but there is a koala sitting there in the tree. It's just there, but it's kind of hidden by the leaves a little bit. I'm glad that I came out today. I wasn't going to, but I pushed myself to go to the coffee shop, and now I've ended up on this hiking trail, which is pretty cool. Basically, I'm just following the yellowtail loop. But look at that view over there. Look at that drop. I don't want to fall down there. the sunlight is coming in my room a lot today. If I lean forward, it's like right in my face. So there's just a few updates that I wanted to share with you. So the first thing is I actually reached 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, which for me is a pretty big deal actually, because it's been like just over a year now, and it's taken me that long to get to 1,000 subscribers. And so yeah, I think I always hear people say like it takes the longest to like just get yourself to that mark. So I don't know, I feel like it's a big milestone for me, and I'm just really happy that a lot of you like my videos and want to subscribe. But yeah, so thank you so much for subscribing and welcome to my channel if you are new. And then the last quick update, because I did mention it in another vlog of mine about moving out of this house. We did want to put an offer for this house, but we wouldn't have been able to make up the money in time, and the landlord wanted to sell it off right now sort of thing. But yeah, we've got another year here, but we are going to be looking for another place. But this Saturday we've actually got people coming and viewing this house, which is going to be so strange. Like, I'm from the UK and we've never had this kind of thing, but like people just come into your house and like view it whilst you've still got all your stuff about, and it's like an open viewing, so like people just kind of walk in the house and have a look whilst you're kind of just sitting there.